Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be talking about how to prepare for your study abroad or Japa journey. Are you new to my channel? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you are a regular subscriber, enjoy this video till the end. How to prepare your study abroad or Japa journey. You have to research this culture, the country where you'll be studying, learn about the customs, the traditions, and social norms of the very country in which you'll be living in while abroad. This will help you to understand and navigate the cultural differences that you may encounter. You have to learn the language. If you are planning to study in a country where the primary language is different from your own country, try as much as possible to learn the language so that you can easily communicate with the people. The third thing you need to learn about is to research the academic system. You have to learn about the academic system in the country in which you'll be studying in. This will help you to understand the expectations and requirements for classes and exams as norms. Then you have to obtain the necessary documents. Make sure you have all the necessary documents, such as your passport, your visa, and any other required documents as stated. You have to plan your budgets. You have to create a budget for your time abroad and make sure you have enough money that would cover the whole of your expenses during the period under study. Then you also have to plan for housing. You have to research the housing options available. Are you staying on campus? Are you going to be staying off campus? You have to make necessary arrangements in advance before your travel. Another important thing you need to do that you need to have is you have to pack smartly. You don't pack what you don't need, and you don't need to leave behind what you have to pack, particularly what is very, very important. You have to consider the climate and the culture of your destination. So you have to prepare. Then you inform your bank and credit card companies about your travel. You have to make sure they know you will be traveling so that they can freeze your accounts. People are dangerous. You don't leave your account open. You have to be very, very smart. And if you need to roam anything roamable, you just have to get prepared. Then you have to be open-minded and flexible. Be prepared to adapt to different cultures and ways of life. In this case, you have to be open, don't be introspective. Be open to new experiences, to new life, and new norms. Another important thing is that you have to make contact with other students or alumni who have studied abroad at the same location or the same school or the same country. You also need to provide vulnerable information and advice. You have to link up, you have to network, you have to research. You have from all people the insurance you need about that very so get yourself prepared. Get the insurance ready, very, very key before your travel and after your travel. So importantly, you have to familiarize yourself with the local emergency services and keep your contact details handy. Make copies of important documents and keep them in a very safe place. Keep safe, prepare your documents, don't leave anything behind. You have to research the transportation options that is available in the country in which you are jackpotting to or in which you are studying abroad. So you have to plan on how to get around. Get in touch with your academic advisor to ensure your study abroad credits will transfer back to your home institution. So you need to make necessary contacts, necessary connection with your academic advisor to give you all it takes about your travel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.